and welcome to the Dakota Fundraising News Podcast. Today is Wednesday, August 6th. We are rolling through the summer. Feels like we've been saying that every week, but it's getting closer and closer to fall, Matt.
It's also speeding up. Each week is getting faster and faster.
Speeding up. We've had a nice little break here in the heat, and it's felt like a little bit of pre-fall weather. I'm, for one, excited for fall golf. We have the FedEx Championship starting up this week, right?
We do, yeah. I forget the name of the tournament. I think it's the St. Jude. Not positive. But yes, it is the first FedEx event.
Who's your prediction to win it all this year?
Scotty.
Duh.
Yeah.
Who's a better prediction that's more exciting?
Scotty.
All right. Well, you heard it here first. Well, you maybe did not hear it here first. But
JJ Spawn. We'll throw that out there.
Okay.
JJ Spawn.
Definitely Scotty.
Yeah.
All right. Let's just jump right into it, though. We'll kick off with our job changes today. We start just earlier this week, actually, August 4th. Clayton Dixon has transitioned from his role as a financial advisor at the Goldstone Financial Group and has become a client service associate at Morgan Stanley in the Chicago metro area. We also have Robert Tweedalall has left Bank of America Merrill Lynch, where he was a financial advisor, and has joined Truist. And then finally, at JP Morgan, Charles Orozco has left his role as a relationship manager with JP Morgan and has joined CIBC Private Wealth in West Palm Beach, Florida. Three examples here, all three of those sort of financial advisor related. Probably a good time to call out our financial advisor data. Why don't you talk a little bit about how folks are using that?
Let's do it. Yeah, for the financial advisor data, I mean, going live with 110,000 registered reps in the platform, organizing them by advisor teams. I think the key is the wealth channel tab that we added to our system. I mean, it's making it just night and day, a lot easier to go in and identify advisors, family offices scattered across the country. So if you want to check it out and you haven't already, metro areas, peep the wealth channel tab. Always feel free to reach out to myself, Pat, our whole team here at Dakota if you want a quick walkthrough of the enhancements we made with that data set. But also with that comes the news component, tracking advisor team moves, mergers, acquisitions. A couple to call out here. Mark Simmons, founder of Simco. He launched Simco Financial as an independent RIA in Canandaigua, New York. Have you been to Canandaigua?
Have I been to Canandaigua, New York? I've not.
Daigua.
Where do you think it is?
I don't know.
Like
I'm going to guess upstate New York.
It's like a cute little town on a lake.
Oh. Maybe it was close to where I was this weekend, Lake Saranac.
Oh, it's in the Finger Lakes.
Oh, okay. Upstate.
Yeah. It is 50 miles west of Sampson Lake, or Seneca Lake.
Seneca Lake. Okay. The name fits then.
South of
Canandaigua,
Rochester.
not too far from Canada.
Yeah.
So this RIA, Simco Financial, does provide investment management primarily to 401k plan sponsors through a sub-advisory agreement. So that was Mark Simmons there. Another one to call out here, financial advisors Abram Ozick and Floyd Ozick launched an independent RIA in Trumbull, Connecticut. The firm FAO Wealth is owned 75% by Abram, who is the CCO of the firm, with the remainder of the ownership over on the Floyd side. So the duo has previously been affiliated with Cooper Financial Services, but they just launched FAO Wealth.
Nice.
Last one to call out here, UK headquartered global professional service provider JTC agreed to acquire Kleinwort Hambros Trust and its subsidiaries, which are wholly owned by Swiss Wealth and asset manager Union Bancaire Privé. Kleinwort Hambros provides estate planning services to high net worth and ultra high net worth families, but it also provides offshore share scheme and pension scheme administration services to several global corporate clients. So just three to keep an eye on there. You want to dive into a couple of recent commitments and investments we've tracked?
Yeah, I will. We'll start here in Toronto, which I'm actually looking at a map here from your earlier comments. Toronto actually not that far from Canandaigua. Grand scheme of things, just right across from Lake Ontario. You can get there through Hamilton and Niagara Falls. So if you're planning a trip, maybe kill two birds, bring your passport. But the Canadian Pension Plan, CPP Investments, has committed $163 million US or 225 million Canadian dollars in construction financing for a hyperscale data center in Cambridge, Ontario. This is a 50% interest investment into the construction loan, the remaining half being provided by Deutsche Bank, private credit, and infrastructure. So nice little co-invest commitment they've done there for a construction financing strategy. Rhode Island State Pension has made a $32 million commitment to tech buyout fund NovaCap Technologies Fund 7. They are also considering a recommendation by their investment staff to hire Makita as a general consultant and Stepstone as an alternative consultant. Finally, out in Seattle, the Tacoma Employees Retirement System, who uses Wilshire, has made a commitment to Comvest Credit 7. That is a $20 million commitment. They've also hired Arrow Street, Boston-based hedge fund, Connor Clark and Lunn, and JP Morgan Asset Management to manage global equity mandates of undisclosed amounts. Stay with me in Massachusetts, Matt.
We'll do. We're staying. We're going with Concord Retirement System to dive into a recent RFP and search that we've tracked. So Concord, right around $200 million in plan assets using Fiduciant from a consulting standpoint. And Fiduciant has issued 2 separate U.S. equity RFPs, not just one, but 2, on behalf of Concord Retirement System, seeking a single manager for $24 million to $35 million in passive, large, and small cap strategies, and then active domestic course mid-cap managers to oversee a $4 million to $10 million mandate. So the size of the ticket still ranging a bit, and the pension will accept proposals up until August 19th and 20th. And then, of course, to note, respectively at 4 p.m. Eastern time, right? We're on this Eastern time.
Yep.
Just be cautious of that.
These next 2 are in Boston too, right?
They are. Boston's just popping off. Is it because we had our happy hour?
Because we were there.
Yeah, last Wednesday. So Shrewsbury Contributory Retirement System, right around $172 million in assets. Their search update is that they've issued an RFP seeking an investment consultant to assist with managing approximately $172 million. So all that's, pension assets there. Proposals are due August 15th at 12 p.m. Eastern time. Pat, any updates you want to discuss on the fundraising side and what's active right now?
Yeah, I do have a few here. So we'll start with Silversmith Capital Partners. They have closed their Fund 5 after launching just 3 months ago with a hard cap of $1.7 billion. That is unbelievable how fast they were able to raise that. Congratulations if you all are listening in. Technology investor Yaletown Partners raised $100 million for their first close of their Innovation Growth Fund 3, which has boosted their total active funds under management to $600 million. They have targeting 250 total, so they are more than halfway there. And RRA Capital, friend of the firm. Do we know RRA Capital? Let me take a look. I believe we do.
Fact check it.
Yes, RRA Capital, noted friend of the firm, has secured a closing of their Real Estate Debt Fund 3, which is a short-term bridge loan strategy for value-adding commercial real estate in the U.S. They're based in Phoenix. I should have known that. And they received $10 million from Louisiana School Employees Retirement System, $7 million from Massachusetts Water, and more that you can find in Dakota Marketplace. Good. Now let's wrap it up here. We will go ahead and just talk about our upcoming Dakota Cocktail events. Matt, you're headed to Greenwich?
I am. I'll be up there. Yes, that is next Thursday. I'm going to mispronounce the name of the restaurant.
Les Escales.
Les Escales. I was there for last year's event, the same spot. Beautiful venue. Indoor, cool. Outdoor, good mix. I will be. Are you?
I will not be in Greenwich. I also won't be in Dallas, but our team will be September 10th. And then let's read the rest of the slate off. So we have Dallas September 10th, Los Angeles September 17th.
Back in Boston.
We'll be in Boston September 18th. Paris on September 23rd. It looks like I will be there, but potentially not. Stay tuned. October 7th at the Clayton Club in Denver, San Francisco at the Battery on October 14th, and Toronto October 28th at the One Hotel Rooftop. I do intend on coming to that, so I'll hopefully see you all there.
Have you been to Toronto before?
No, but we should do Halloween costumes for that.
Why not?
October 28th.
Yeah, should we get a poll going?
Let's do it.
All right.
If you have listened this far and you would wear a Halloween costume to Dakota Cocktails, please email me directly, ptighe@dakota.com. Thanks, everyone, and we'll be back later this week.
Thanks, everyone. Thanks, Pat.
This episode is brought to you by Dakota Marketplace. Are you tired of constantly jumping between multiple databases and channels to find the right investment opportunities? Introducing Dakota Marketplace, the comprehensive institutional and intermediate database built by fundraisers for fundraisers. With Dakota Marketplace, you'll have access to all channels and asset classes in one place, saving you time and streamlining your fundraising process. Say goodbye to the frustration of searching through multiple databases, websites, Form ADVs, and say hello to a seamless and efficient fundraising experience. Sign up now and see the difference Dakota Marketplace can make for you. Visit dakota.com/Dakota Dakota-marketplace today.